why you talk about now Nagaland? You are Manipuri. You are Manipur. We belong to Nagaland. And don't confuse about even your own leaders led by Muivah. In their agreement, they have deleted integration and sovereignty. Remember that. In a great position also, you don't find integration nor sovereignty. So when they have those people who are engaged political dialogue with the government of India, they have realized that it's not possible. Then, whatever they have decided, this is final. And therefore, neither you nor even Nagaland Assembly have no power to alter that agreement between representatives of underground and government of India. Don't interfere in our business. We shall also not interfere in other business. Leave Nagaland alone. We shall be able to manage our affairs. That is what I want to tell you.